I definitely recommend joining cultural societies. I think these societies are always a place where you feel a great sense of belonging when you're away from home, especially for international students like me. UCLA is one of the biggest research universities. There's so many resources for STEM. Why not make use of it, right? Hi everyone, my name is Cyrus. I graduated from high school at Loomis Chafee School. Currently studying at the University of California, Los Angeles, majoring in materials engineering. I'm also on the UCLA's club squash team, and I love playing basketball. I definitely recommend joining cultural societies because you immediately find people with the same roots and with similar lifestyles or the language or cultural practices. I think these societies are always a place where you feel a great sense of belonging when you're away from home, especially for international students like me. UCLA has ACA, which is for Chinese Americans. They group you into families, and there's a lot of bonding activities such as like family gatherings or parties or like food parties where you can really socialize with people you feel more comfortable with and resonate the most with. College is not just about academics. The social life aspect is also equally important, so I would definitely recommend joining a cultural society. I've always been interested in doing research, and for someone like me who wants to pursue a career and a degree in STEM and engineering, I think research is a very important component. The research process really challenged me intellectually and pushed me to think differently. So I think outside the box, it was a very rewarding experience. UCLA is one of the biggest research universities. There's so many resources for STEM, and I was thinking like, why not make use of it, right? So in winter quarter, I came across an undergraduate research fair, and one of the labs eventually offered me a spring internship. I'm really glad that I made the right choice because I think what I learned wasn't something that I could have learned from a textbook or a lecture. One thing I'm really proud of is my growth in terms of thinking. I think my problem-solving skills have really improved a lot. My favorite course has to be the freshman seminar for materials engineering. We got the chance to make ice cream from pouring liquid nitrogen, and at the same time we got to learn science such as like the chemical structure and properties behind these transformations. And I think the second half of this class was listening to lectures by guest presenters who were professors or some PhD students, mainly talking about their research or area of expertise. I really loved this class because it was also a very good chance to have fun and socialize with other material science majors. I think this class and the professor in charge did an incredible job.